The name of the site that I'll show you today is Digistore24. Now, you can check out digistore24.com. However, before you head towards the site, you need to watch this video first, since you'll be bewildered and you won't bring in any cash on the off chance that you don't complete this instructional exercise. Now, the idea here is truly basic. Once you pursue a free account, you can gain access to their marketplace and observe various offers and various items that you can promote. Here's a speedy synopsis of the steps you really want to do. Step number 1. Pick an item on Digistore24. 2. Click on the Promote Now button. 3. Duplicate the promotion link. And stage 4. Blast. You can begin gaining cash. You can get compensated as much as $513 or more in a split second, and it relies upon your decision of item and perseverance. You don't have to put away any cash to get everything rolling with this technique. And obviously, this is accessible worldwide in all nations on the planet. Later on in this video, I'll tell you precisely the best way to pursue a free record and begin to make your initial $500 beginning today, subsequent to watching this video. Registration is 100% free on this site. You can begin to get cash from Digistore24, and I'll show you the whole fill-up process. It's somewhat complicated and a ton of data to enter, but I'll show you all that right on this video, so ensure you continue to watch. It's actually a lot simpler than you think. I'll show you this little trick where you can begin acquiring your initial $500. Once more, when you sign into your Digistore24 account, you tap on the connection on top, which is the marketplace, that will carry you to the page where you can find more than 200 unique offers and items that you can promote with a commission on the web. For instance, a health and fitness supplement. Whenever you promote it and somebody buys it, you can procure 85% commission and you could be making $138. The rate of commission varies on each item. Look when we continue on to other items. It can have a higher 93% commission and $42 for each deal. And you can simply continue forever and the web page will show you the many items on this site. You can pick any of them and begin promoting and acquiring commissions. With only a single tick of a button when you click on the Promote button, feel free to duplicate your affiliate link and your special promo link that you can see after you click Promote. After that, when you share this connection on the web, whenever individuals click on your link and when they purchase any of the items, you earn. You have to first sign up for a free account. When you go back to the homepage of Digistore24, just click on the blue button to sign up for free and that's going to take you to another page. On the first section Sign Up, make sure to choose the affiliate category because you are an affiliate and we're here to make commissions online. Then you can just put in whatever username that you want and they'll automatically help you generate your unique affiliate links, and you can use those unique affiliate links to promote any products on this website. Next, put in your email address and set up a password and choose your time zone. They're accepting people from different countries in the world. Once you select your country and your time zone, when you're moving down, you just have to fill out your personal information, your name, your address, and so on. Finally, you have to agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Register button to register for free. Once you've successfully set up your account, when you click on the button to Promote Now, you should be able to automatically get your unique links. Whenever people click on this link, they're going to go to the official website of the Affiliate Profit course. Now, when I click on this link, that's going to bring me to this page, and when people visit this page, they'll watch a video and go through all the sales materials, and eventually, if they make a decision to make the purchase, you'll earn the commission percentage. Now for the tip. Once you come up to the marketplace, I want you to just click on the down arrow to choose on the options. It'll show Sort by Earnings or Sale. You can just click on that and Digistore24 will automatically help you filter all the results and show you the highest earning and highest commission of the products that you can promote. For one single sale, you can earn $256, and if you just make 2 sales a day, you could be making $513. You can choose whatever product you want, but make sure that it's interesting so people will buy it. Moving on, I'll show you how to promote this product. Now, you can go into reddit.com. This is a forum where people discuss different topics, people ask and answer questions, and post content. Go to the search bar to type in certain keywords to find the targeted people to promote your affiliate link. You have to find people who are looking to make money online, so when you go onto Reddit, just like "How can I make money online?" and you can just click on the search button. And from there, they're going to show you all the search results. You can look for different posts where people are asking questions, and guess what? They're super interested about making money online. So what you're going to do next is you want to offer some free value. You want to show them some different tips about making money online for free, and put your link at the end so they'll click and engage with it. You can just repeat the strategy on any products that you want to promote. Basically, products are teaching people how to make money online, and you can simply repeat the strategy and use that to promote any offers that you want on Digistore 24. Lastly, I need you to listen again. Assuming that you're searching for a simple method for earning from home just by utilizing a cell phone or PC. I need you to look at the site, which is called Type4Cash. You can search type4cash.com. You can earn more data by watching this video now. Essentially, you'll get compensated $26.59 by just composing very basic words on the web. It's so natural, even a 60-year-old could get it done. No experience required, no ability required, no costs. So essentially assuming that you have 2 minutes at this moment in the event that you have a cell phone and web association, you can begin composing on your telephone and banking cash from any country on the planet. Indeed, many individuals are benefiting from everywhere. People are bringing in cash. Everyone. They're bringing in cash up to $30,000 each every month by just typing on their phones. And by doing that, you can get easy pay that comes in reliably for you. That's it for today's video. Are you interested?